Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today for you guys, I have a new outlet pickup video. So there's some local outlets in my area that I travel to occasionally. I'd say once every few months. Since it's starting to get into the winter time, I decided I'd go and get a few pieces that I don't really have in my collection. And I actually did end up getting quite a few. So I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up picking up and what deals I got. To start it off, I'll show you guys just some plain t-shirts I bought for the gym and just workout shirts. I did get these from Under Armour. They were having a very good sale. So I ended up getting 4 t-shirts and a free gift, kind of. You'll see what I'm talking about in a couple seconds with my order. So the first item I got was just this plain dry fit Under Armour t-shirt. Nothing too crazy, just a plain black t-shirt with a little graphic. The next one I got was just this regular Under Armour, I think cotton t-shirt with a Under Armour logo and some stars. The next one was this legitimately plain black dry fit workout shirt with just a small logo right there. And then the last one I got was a Rock or Dwayne Johnson Respect t-shirt. Because I bought those 4 t-shirts, if you bought 4 items of whatever value you wanted, you got a backpack for $12. For me, I just picked up this plain Under Armour backpack for the gym. It has a small logo right there. It's just black everywhere. Small logo right there. It's a really nice backpack. Retail was $65. I ended up getting it for $12, so you cannot beat the deal I got at Under Armour. So those are the items I got from Under Armour, and let's get into the North Face items I got. For North Face items, I mainly went for winter coats and jackets. When it comes to North Face at the outlets, they always have great discounts plus additional discounts, especially during the holiday season. For me, I ended up picking up 2 different jackets, a windbreaker and a big winter coat, and a couple other extra items. So let's get into the first item. So here we have just a regular black North Face windbreaker. Nothing too crazy. Has like this little pinstripe, like square design all over it. I'm not sure if you can see it. And with the North Face logo on the back and the front. This retailed at $180. I ended up getting it for a little under $50, I believe, was the final price on this. So you cannot beat it for a very nice North Face jacket. The next item I got was this North Face base camp hat. So all the hats were 50% off of retail. So retail on these are $28, so I ended up paying $14 for it. I liked how it was a trucker hat. And instead of a big North Face logo or anything, it just has the little van. It says base camp. Simple, plain, black and white, can go with everything. And I was very happy to get this. The next item I got were these North Face slippers. For me, I've had a couple pairs of these in the past, and they're one of my favorite shoes to wear during the winter time, keep your feet warm. They have that nice outsole, and they're just overall very comfortable. Sadly, I grew out of my pair, so somehow they had these in my size, and I ended up paying $11.98 for these, which is an insane steal for this type of shoe. I think retail for these is $60 to $100 depending on the model and size. So to get these for less than $12 is a very good steal and price. And finally, the best piece I acquired while I was at the North Face outlet was this big 550 puffer jacket. This was a main piece I went in there looking for. It's just a great winter coat. One of these for a couple years now. Retail being $300 is just way out of the budget for a winter coat. It's not worth it in my opinion. But they had these in black, yellow, green, and blue for $150. This one was on sale for $223 plus an additional 70% off. So I ended up paying $67 for this jacket when it retails for $300. You can't beat it. It's like a maroonish raspberry red with big silver North Face logo and black on the top, and then black on the top in the front as well with a big North Face logo. This is one of my favorite jackets North Face releases, and I'm very happy I was able to put one into the collection. Next 2 pieces I got from Vineyard Vines. They had a very good sale. It was 50% off of all men's clothing. For me, Vineyard Vines is a nice comfy clothing brand I wear while I'm at the house. Their items are just very soft, and their long sleeves are definitely my favorite. So I ended up picking one up, I believe it was $20 because retail is $40 and it's 50% off. It has a scoreboard design on the pocket, vineyard vine down the sleeve, and then the big hockey graphic on the back. I love when they do the sports ones. It's definitely my favorite, being an athlete growing up. I love getting the vineyard vine sports ones. I have some lacrosse ones, a couple basketball ones, and now I have a hockey one. The other item I got from Vineyard Vines was just a simple pair of shorts. For me, I love these shorts. They're very nice to wear. I'm working out around the house. During the winter time, they're the best when it's not too cold out, but it's still chilly. So I ended up getting these in a blue. I believe they were $25, and they're pretty simple. They just have the little whale patch, and that's really it on these. Now we have what I assume most of you guys are waiting to see, and it is what I picked up from the Nike outlet. So as some of you might know, it was additional 20% off the hash wall, plus an additional 30% if you are a Nike member. But for me, I didn't pick a whole lot up. I picked up a couple t-shirts and a couple pairs of shoes. So let's get right into it. So the first item I picked up was this Giannis Coming to America Freak t-shirt. This was $5 plus 30% off, so it ended up being like $3.50, I believe. The main reason I got this is because I do have the Giannis Coming to America ones that came out. So I got two of these actually. I got one to keep brand new with the shoes, and then one to wear while I wear the shoes. So I like the design overall. It has a little design on the sleeve, and then it has the Giannis patch on the bottom. It's a very cool Nike t-shirt, and for less than $4, you cannot beat it. The next item I picked up was a pair of LeBron Witness 4s, I believe. I picked these up for $44.97 plus 20 plus 30. So these came out to $25. Retail is only $100 on these. $25 for a pair of LeBrons is probably the best price you'll find brand new from a Nike outlet. The main reason I bought these was because they were purple and yellow, which is the Laker colors, and he won a championship this year, so it's the main reason I picked them up. And my favorite part about this shoe is the big lion on the heel. It just reminds me of the LeBron 8 when those came out with the big lion on the tongue. One of the best designs LeBron has ever done, in my opinion. So I had to pick these up for less than $30. They're not really anything too special or crazy about them. It's just the colors and the big lion on the back is why I bought them. The most hype pickup of the whole outlet was these little Nike Undefeateds in a size 9C. They are the Air Max 90s. I went with the biggest size they had as like a collector's item. They were $21.97 plus an additional 30, so they came out to $15, I believe. And let's just show you the shoes. Boom. We have the Air Max 90 white and yellow little baby shoes. For $15, I thought I'd pick them up as a little collector's piece. Retail was $75, so to get them at $15 is a crazy steal. Came with undefeated yellow laces. It's just a very cool shoe, and it's one I hope to own in my size at some point in my life. But to get them for $15, you cannot beat it. And I'm very happy I decided to pick them up. That's gonna be it for everything I picked up at the outlet. I got everything from winter jackets, sneakers, to t-shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, just drop them down below. I'll leave my Instagram and TikTok in the bio if you wanna go check those out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.